Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga nga kukutuusibwako
The City Bridals.
Ndaira simba lero bino byogera byakumoyo toboyo mutima gwange munda ekukubira nze ne kuntujja omukwano lero njagala otegere nti wampamba wotoli siryasenywa nze sebaka nyabo
Likayo mukane mulango bali kubera ngo cyari muklaba Delta TV tukole eno yesawa yafe yokubiri era nga mukane yasubide sawa yafe sose tukutusizako kwanjula kwa Hussein ne Shami muchegete mbakabinyo era tubagala nnyo abantu bo mu kikubo mbagala nnyo mukwano kugamba nti ebitete bino genda ku City Bridals Kaunka Plaza Queen Road enamba ya City Bridals kweri mukubire jawo ku Sharitas tukoleko enviri enjala makeup abagalo sema enviri mujje tanikira ku mitwalo 10 atenga munange n'enviri za bulijjo tuzikolako Maria's Bridal ya ina Gomesi ku Zai Plaza wali eri Queen Road engato nagamezi ja wakato mukasera kantigenda kubera nga twongera oklaba kibayita obufumbo obwekoti ennaku zino oba ensangi zino abagole betanide nnyo kibayita obufumbo obwekoti lwaki babetanide lwansonga nti no bwangu ya ebintu omuntu asobola gamba nti nze kansigale mu dini yange noli naye nasigala mu dini ye ne bakola obufumbo waye obwekoti olwano lwe lugendo tukende kubera nga tukunyumiza waneeno nga tulaba embaga wakati w'omukyala gwe bayita Nalongo Bageya n'omwami gwe bayita Salongo Bageya be London wabulanga bali bakolera ku Nabugabo era bwe bakoze embaga ne bagenda wali eri ku Georgia House ku Administrator General ne babagatta mu bufumbo obwekoti oluvanyuma ne bagenda emunyonyo okwekuyifana irenga tibanagenda munyonyo bagambe fe Kampala tukyamujukira abantu bafe bakyatujukira bayiseko kye bayite Nabugabo Nabugabo abantu bebade bakyabajukira ngo babagamba jambo Babageya omwami we yakoleranga bwe bavuddeyo ne bagenda ku Mawanda Royal Gardens gye bakolera kye bayita elegant reception exquisite reception omuchala gauni yabadde nungi siye mulungi siye mwelu changing dress weda buli dakika nga kyusa keki yabadde class decoration yabadde class ngenda kulya serizayo n'abagenyi babadde ba class bebatene bongera okubeera nga bebaza buli mwe yabadde ku mukologo leka nkutuseko omukologo tuva ku Delta TV tukole
I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. Was solo singing on my own. Now I can't find the key without you. And now your song is on repeat. And I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio.
request Mr. Bagaya to stand up. Please read for me this declaration from I, Bagaya, to paragraph 6.
And says as follows: a marriage is proposed to be solemnized between me and Mariam, and Nanyonga Mariam Rashid. Neither I and Mariam Nanyonga is under the age of 18 years. I believe there is not any impediment of kind or affinity or any other lawful hindrance to any person to the best of my knowledge and belief. Neither is Nanyonga Mariam Rashid married by native law or custom to any person, that I feel consent to contracting a marriage with Nanyonga Mariam Rashid. I, Bagaya John, I swear I have been resident of Kawala for the last 15 years. 15 days, sorry.
Nanyonga Mariam Rashid, Uganda national government, a resident of Kawala, making oath and says as follows: a marriage is proposed to be solemnized between me and Bagaya John. Neither I nor Bagaya John is under the age of 18 years. I believe there is not any impediment of kindred or affinity or any other lawful hindrance to the marriage, that I'm not married by native law or custom to any person, and to the best of my knowledge and belief, neither is Bagaya John married to native law or custom to any person, that I freely consent to contracting marriage with Bagaya John. I, Nanyonga Mariam Rashid, I swear for the last 15 days. Thank you.
They are the true reflection of what's happening. We shall be required to sign on the declaration. Know ye that by public taking of each other as man and wife in my presence and in the presence of the people now here, and by the subsequent attestation of that taking, by signing your names to that effect, we become legally married to each other. Although no other rite of a civil or religious nature shall take place, and that this marriage cannot be dissolved during your lifetime except by a valid judgment of divorce, and if either of you before the death of the other shall contract another marriage, which while this one remains undissolved, therefore be guilty of bigamy and liable to punishment for that offense. In summary, it says that this marriage is monogamous. You're not expected to contract another marriage while this one still exists, except by valid divorce with a consent by death of either of you. So we shall proceed to take the vows.
All person
I call upon
all person here present to witness that I, Bagaya John, take up you, Mariam Rashid, to be my lawful wife.
I, Nanyonga Mariam Rashid, will take up Bagaya John to be my lawful husband.
shall proceed to sign the certificate. I request besides your name. Please have a seat.
Edeme n'amasanyu byagwa kati obulamu bwe ndi mubuka buli wembeera wentuula nempulira ng'omutima gundimu ebimyaso kiringa nkugambye kati obulamu obumbunye ebisanyi buli lwengwawo nendoota nenfaako nga nkulaba ogenda n'omulenzi olumujje nakyala omutumbi bekanga nnyo nali mu kirooto kulaba nengugumuka nebekanga bewunya bagamba banayo n'omusajja baddeki nali mu kirooto nga nkulaba nengugumuka nze nefuba nkuteeke mu tageti osobolera okundaba nze nezijja nkukwate ku mukono nonekuba omayo lwaki ondaziza onkozesa ng'okimanyi bakutondera n'ababaka b'entumayo bamala mudde amaanyi baŋŋamba nti mbiwumule lwaki ondaziza onkozesa ng'okimanyi bakuntondera n'ababaka b'entumayo bamala mudde amaanyi baŋŋamba nti mbiwumule nfuna mu birooto nfuba mu kuwowo nfuna mu birooto nfuba mu kuwowo yeye
ekiriwo ekikyamu nze nkipima nenkiraba mutunula yeyo no ntolina busungu bundaga onimbirawo nosekaseka nze nefuba nkusanyuseye nga nkutwala mu dansi n'ebifaananyi olumu wagana nyabe byonna ebyekiyemu abikuta tewayise kaseera laba nkusanga mu dansi nyabo wekeja Maria no Rachana zizo kosesa no chimanyi bakuntondera nze abakabetumayo bamala mutamanyi bangamba mbiwumule
ngokimanyi bakuntondera ndaba baka bentumayo bamala muddamaanyi baŋŋamba nti buli umube lwaki ondazisokoseza ngokimanyi bakuntondera ndaba baka bentumayo bamala muddamaanyi baŋŋamba nti buli umube nfuna mbiroto
Tanga abengonge gasibawulira abenjonyi temuliiwo kale mukamanya nokode wakyusiza siyagenze yalagenda kati kumukutukweni mundekene abo mwana ono neboli bagokupagala nawe ntineja kumasi wetuli bababiri nawe nawe ntineja kumasi olibanga mutiya nonowinga mutitiri ati gwe mwana eno basi yemwe otawude mubaki nosemeza kuti tufonagendaba wentuse yekwe Mote bera nebuza jobalidde sireno tasana kulumwaneta oyogeza simbo liwagondebwa buli kimu kikwata mpola tasatuka sebe kugwengenena nebwolibagowedde kumpagala barararata setuli bababiri nawe Masura como tena bini Kondikulu wotanga kundi Era mukama marunimi Baby, wanefuga Tugenda kubuza kumasete Omwana okuwala Nemperekeze Bambuke nkulu Omwana obulezi nemperekeze abalezi Bambuke ma Peter Chris That's right Samia Abalezi Tugende wa mami Yalimu vitamini Yasizamba manyi Wabuna mukama ya kuunda Katula kevi semuka I lost control Webanga sikulawa Sisa wana kumikiriza wadaka tikitiki wano Ate watawa Banga wewa sude uchiba Wezaba kule mkuseko Awa mami bake Seti tunami Katula kemi semuka Yalimu vitamini Ezisa wamani Wabula mukama ya kuunda Katula kemi semuka Abaso babuzako abasoke wano mugole My love for you will never ever die Baby I promise you I'll never make you cry Give up my secret to me Sirira makana bibi wange Nikumechika mochange
Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga nga kukutuusibwako
The City Bridals ku Kamukamu Plaza